Hey YouTube, this is part 2 to my Airsoft collection, and if you were wondering why I was limping, or I kind of slow, is because I actually almost busted my knee this weekend. So yeah, so let's get to it. Finish up, please. Okay, what I got down here is a bunch of extra mags, chargers, speed loaders, silicone, CO2, um, some slings, some homemade silencers. If you haven't checked out my video on how to make them, check it out. It's pretty awesome. And especially if you play Airsoft and you're looking for a silencer and you don't want to spend the money on one. It's real simple, it's real cheap, and um, makes it actually works. So, yeah. And then I got like a little ammo carrying pouch. And, oh yeah, and if you're wondering what these guns are, these are my pellet guns, 177 caliber. This is actually I got 2 years ago for my birthday when I took my first trip in an ambulance because I was opening the packaging with my utility knife and it slipped and cut my wrist right open. It was an ugly sight. And I lost a lot of blood, but I'm okay now. I got stitches, so yeah. It's a CO2 pistol right here. No blowback. This is a Daisy power line. I forgot what model. Oh yeah, model 93A. And it's got a hand grip safety. You have to pull that, otherwise you can't fire it. And I wouldn't get this if I were you though. It's not that good. It's not accurate at all. Then this was actually my first Pelican. I had this ever since I was like 8 or something. Yeah, 8 or 7. This is a Daisy Grizzly. Um, it's 350 feet per second. Oh yeah, that one had like around like 380 or something, 400. This one, you just pull that back, pump it once, and you're ready to go. And I don't think I killed anything with this. Yeah, but nowadays it's like $50 at Fleet Farm and stuff. But I think we got it at 30 at Walmart. But yeah. Alrighty. Now my last air rifle I got is my DZ Powerline 880. This is actually a really awesome gun, except you have to pump it 10 times each time you want to shoot and load pellet in, or you leave the reservoir in there. And then I actually lost that front red piece on there, and I think it got caught on a tree when I was riding with my friend on his four-wheeler because we were going into his woods to go hunting for some rabbits. And yeah, this one shoots around 800 feet per second with 10 pumps. But I actually had it with me just on the 4th of July just this year. I got chased by 4 skunks in the woods, and what I did was I actually turned around and I started shooting, not at them, but I shot at them and like missed them on purpose just to scare them. And I saw them go into their holes, so I took some firecrackers and threw them down there. It really pissed them off, so yeah. And then I saw another one today. And I shot towards him again, and then he started spraying on a tree. I didn't get sprayed, thank God. But I was just out there minding my own business. They started chasing me. Alrighty, now down here, pick the camera. Alrighty, down here I have a gun bag. Um, and yeah, I got one of these packs of 15,000 rounds of ultrasonic BBs. BBs right here. Alright, and also I keep all my instruction manuals and Airsoft warranty information in this folder because in case I never need to return it or something. And I got a whole bunch of accessories in here. This whole bucket. Oh yeah, and I also got a bunch of 20-gram BBs. This is what I use in my sniper rifle, my CO2 pistol. And I also use it in my shotgun, my double eagle. I got the tactical rails. Oh yeah, my first gun, airsoft gun, was this firepower icon spring pistol. It shot around like I want to say 385 feet per second. But the bad thing about it is when I went to shoot it one day, one of the pieces in the back popped up, and the side just fell right off. And, yeah, and I just spray painted it black just to make it look like a real 1911. You know, in case someone wants to break in the house. But what is this gonna do? Yeah, that's why I got a police baton under my pillow. So yeah, it was actually a really heavyweight gun. It felt like a real gun. Pretty cool. It was hard to pull back when I was younger. This was my first one, like I said. So yeah, I had several guns that broke on me, like this cheap Walmart one. I had an airsoft revolver, but that broke too. And like I got two Taurus PT 111s. Actually, for the Walmart 1911s, I mainly got them for the lasers, but that was a bad idea. But I also got it for the pistol, and I actually ended up buying 3 of those 1911s. And my dad went to the store and bought one from me one time, and because I had broken one of mine. He bought it and took it home, and we took it out of the packaging, and then we put the broken one in the packaging and brought it back to Walmart, and we paid our money. So yeah. Oh yeah, and I got more BBs. A little BB grenade. And my springs, I keep them wrapped in paper to protect them from getting tangled. And I got a whole bunch of grips and a daisy scope. My birthday's coming up on the 24th, so I'm hoping to get a new air rifle, like one of those hopefully Gamma Silent Cat, which I'm looking to get. If I don't get it for my birthday, I want to get it with my own money. And I got this target, little trap target and shoot them and they get knocked down, and then use that one to go back up. And actually, I'm not sure many, I don't even think any stores carry these anymore, but this is actually a big target catcher. I have it all apart right now, but like what it has is it has this little car thing that goes side to side on it and a target on it, and when you hit the target, it'll go faster. And yeah, and it also traps targets too, BBs too. So I like it a lot. And actually, this bandolier was my Uncle Mike's. Some of them came off, like some of the pieces that hold the shells came off loose and stuff. So I just fixed it for him. I know I didn't fix it for him. He gave it to me for my airsoft stuff because that revolver uses these little realistic looking shells. And basically what I use this one for is practice speed reloading. Um, like I usually take the slide off, and I have the clip in there. I go like this. Oh yeah, this is the sticky note. I forgot. This one in there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, and I also have a homemade bazooka. Oh yeah, it's over here. I forgot. I have a bike pump with it. I'm gonna mount it to it probably. But this thing, if you haven't seen the video on it, forgot who made it. And I forgot what the video was, but like it's basically a homemade bazooka with a ball valve and like 1-inch PVC pipe like in diameter. And I didn't glue the first cut for a reason because in case you ever get a jam or something, and also it makes it more compact. Yeah, just like that. And what you can actually do is actually put a grocery bag, like one of those Walmart plastic bags, and stick it down the barrel and use an arrow from a bow and arrow, stuff it down there like ramrod, and this one holds around like 160 psi. Then when you shoot it, and you have the arrow in there, it shoots the arrow like almost like 400 feet, so it's pretty good. And yeah, the bike pump and this all together cost me around like 20 bucks, so it's all right. But yeah. Another video I might do is actually my knife collection, which I might do today yet. So, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe, and check out my other videos. And see you later.